Hello guys, hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video. So as a junior UX designer, when you design something new, so you got a lot of trouble. Like you don't know where to put things and how to choose colors or typographies. AI era, you must need to be solve these things as soon as possible. Okay, otherwise you will be absolute, because right now maybe AI generating sloppy design, but in near futures like 2 or 3 years it will do good design, right? So before AI replace you, you should like follow these things like how to design modern website. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I suggest you guys to view it with prototype mode. Okay, because when you design you will not understand this the things perfectly, what is looking no nice or not. Now as you can see, it's give you a full view like how it looks, right? Okay, this color is not looking good. Just copy some elements on your previous design. If you don't have any component, then it will help you a lot. So I also need to see like why this field health summary need to be read, right? If there is no UX behind it, then it's totally unnecessary to make these things read, right? So I don't think if the field health summary is low or not that good, then we can show a red button. But if not, then we should keep things like this ash color. And about the icon, if you see the icon here, now you can see here our icon is minimal and modern, right? But in this case, the icon is not that good. So what we need to do, we need to change the icon here. We can put only small similar icon like this. I will go iconify, then I will search for health summary or health related icon. Okay, so now it looks much more cleaner, more user friendly, right? Okay, and also the gap should be about 4, right? We have same things within the 2 layers. We don't need it, right? Like if we have the white version, then why do we need extra layer on that? As a junior designer actually do this kind of mistake. I think they should definitely avoid this kind of mistake. I don't need it anymore. Like I just remove this one, all these things, and it will work. Okay, so I will select all those things together here. Then I will change it to this color. I think we are keeping these things unnecessary in the top without any reason, right? So what we can do, we can make these things in middle of them, like how the chat GPT does, right? These two will be same, like 4 to 8 or 8, I guess, 8, 4 days. Now it looks good. We don't need to show like this way. The gap between those things are not equal. If I remove that, it will work perfect. If I go over here, it will be much more good space. As you can see, right? We have much more space right now. We can show more things in one place. Okay, now I will do the same for all of these things. So I have made all those things like same design, as you can see. Now the designer also missed this part actually here. We are helping farmer or farm owner with AI by managing his task. Okay, so he also missed that part as well in here. So what we need to do, we need to create in a way like we need to highlight the things. So we can use this part or this design in here like this way. So I copy the text here and I go to here, then I keep AI. So I make these things big, like the how many width it have, similar to this. Perfect. AI solution can be up here. AI suggestions can be like here. We have check prestige today to protect crop from pest. It will help the farmer to take decision much more quicker. Okay. If any farmer actually watching this video, I think you should definitely integrate this kind of AI system into your business or the dashboard. Okay. Now I need to add AI things. So we have the AI chatbots features that we have already designed. So I will go to up and come over here. This one. I will copy this one and I will go back to here and I will paste the things in here. I think now it's much more understandable. It is much more cleaner. If you see the left one over the right one, you can easily understand like how good looking it is and how user friendly it is, right? AI anything over here easily. Okay, let me see in the top part what color that I have used here. I use this color, but the junior designer used different color as it is. Now it much more cleaner, right? Actually, we can do things quickly and make things perfect. I think I will make three part of it, this video, how we make this one. In the second part and the third part, we'll fix these two. Okay, how we can make these things look prettier and or more UX friendly. Okay, so that's all for today. I will catch you in the next one.